Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this video lecture I will guide you step by step how to make a house plan in the dimensions of 20 by 26 feet. Let's get started. If you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number on paid services, not for free. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, this is a plot size is 26 by 20 by 26 feet, right? So here, this is its front roadside. You can see this is a roadside. Watch this video till the end to learn something new, how to make a house plan. Okay, so here guys, this is south. Okay, and I will get start from here. I will make 2 bedrooms, okay, at the front, and the main gate will be here. Okay, so first of all I will make main entrance. Remember guys, all walls thickness should be 4.5 inch. Okay, wall thickness should be 4.5 inch, right? Now guys, this is I will make 2 beds, okay, 2 bedrooms. Wall thickness is 4.5 inch. Here guys, you can see this is door, and this is the other door for this bed. Let me mention its dimensions. Okay, this is the second bed. Size of this or length of this bedroom is 9 feet 5 inch and 5 inch. This one also 9 feet and 5 inches. This is its length. Okay, this one also. Wall thickness are 4.5 inch. The next one guys, I will make here the kitchen. Okay, wall thickness is 4.5 inch. Size of this kitchen is guys, sorry, the length of this bedroom is 10 feet. Okay, this is 10 feet. I forgot this. This is 10 feet. Also here, this is 10 feet. 2 bedrooms at the front, and this one is kitchen. Okay, size of the kitchen is 6 feet by 7 feet. 6 feet by 7 feet. Yes, this is 6 feet, and here this is 7 feet. Okay, so let me show you its door. Right, so here guys, at this side we will make a common bath and toilet. Okay, which size should be same like this one. Okay, this is bath and toilet both. Okay, we can use it for bath and toilet also. Okay, so the size of this bath is 5 feet by 7 feet. Five feet, and its length is 7 feet. Okay, so here for this you can see this is its door. Okay guys, so here I will provide the study room or other small bedroom. Okay, and here at this side I will make staircase for the first floor. Okay, so let's make it. Which width should be here? This is guys here, as you can see we have 26 feet. So for 26 feet this is 10 feet, and this is 7 feet, so it becomes 17 feet, and here we have 7 feet. Okay, so this is 3 feet, and this is also 3 feet. 10 plus 17, and this is 26. Okay, so here we have about 10 plus 17, 1 2 3 4 walls. Okay, so it become 1.5 you can say. So 4 walls we have, and this is 17 17, so 18 18.5, so 18.5 6 7.5. Width of this stair is 7.5. Okay, so now guys the width is 3 feet. For this stairs guys you can see, let me make it straight. This is stairs. Okay, so guys this is up. And at this side we have the other bedroom. Okay, this is the other bed. So size of this bedroom is 8 by 8.5 feet. This is 8 . So this is, guys, about 8 feet, and this is 8.5 feet, 8 feet and 6 inches, okay, or 6 inches and 8 feet, and this side is 8 feet. So let me make its door. Okay, so now, guys, I will show you here. This is open space, or you can say this is a living room, okay, or TV lounge, you can say here. Okay, now I will show you especially its windows. Okay, so this is back side window. So this is window. Also here we have a window. Same we have for this bed. This is the other window. For bath we have the ventilation here. So this is ventilation window. Cross ventilation is available here. Okay, next for the kitchen, this is window. Here, guys, you can see this is for this bed. You can see this is the window. Here we have also window. And this is wall. So to this side also you can see the window. And this is 4.5 inch wall. And this is main entrance. This main entrance. Okay, guys, so you can see, guys, clearly house planning in the dimensions of 20 by 26 feet. This is main road which is located in south direction. Here we have the stairs for the first floor, 3 bedrooms. Okay, this one is small, and these are you can say the normal bedrooms. Okay, because the dimensions are very small. This is a toilet and also bath, the kitchen, TV lounge. Okay, and stairs for first floor. So hope this video can help you. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.